All right, you guys, we're going to do our daily update here for Onyxcoin. So Onyxcoin right now is trading at 0.01137. We are up 1% in the last 24 hours. Volume as well is up 7%. And the market cap itself is at 370 million, up 1%. So it is showing some renewed short-term interest here. Although Onyxcoin itself is still trading within this fallen wedge pattern found on the 4-hour time frame, we are going to see if momentum is building up here or if we're going to see some rejection closer to this area of resistance here. So quickly taking a look at some of our indicators here, we can see that the RSI itself is falling down closer to that 46%. It is showing a lot of neutral towards the downside. And if we do see a cross below our signal line here, it is just going to show us a little bit more of a bearish momentum. As we zoom in closer to the candlestick formations here, we can see that this area is a hard line of resistance around 0.01166. So in order for us to break through this falling wedge chart pattern itself, ideally the bulls will need to reclaim and close above this in order to push even higher, closer to our 61% of our Fibonacci. If we take a look at some of our other indicators, we've got the Bollinger Bands here. We saw that it's narrowing closer to lower volatility. Price itself is going to move fairly slowly here and possibly consolidate before another major move. So consolidation again is just a quick area where the price moves from an area of support coming up to an area of resistance and simply cannot break that. Essentially what we're looking for is higher volatility, and if the price can maintain above our 20 moving average, which is this yellow line here, we're going to see a breakout above towards the upside. If we do see higher volatility build up here and the price it's found below our 20 moving average, unfortunately the price itself is going to break down. So if Onyxcoin itself can break out through this wedge here, ideally towards the upside, this is going to be our next target, our 61% of our Fibonacci, 0.0119. I am kind of leaning a little bit more towards the bearish side for us to find areas of support, which is going to be found our 78% of our Fibonacci at 0.0113. If we do see a fill hold above this area, then most likely price is going to retrace closer down to this next area of support at 0.01099. So those are my targets here for Onyxcoin. I mean, it is nice to see some type of movement. If we take a look at the daily time frame itself, we are still kind of in that wedge formation. Ideally, we do want to see a break above this area of resistance that has been tested multiple times in the last couple 4-hour sessions. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.